I don't need any proper introduction for this video, guys. Then I was organic. Then lumba de cry nyan kan wasem wiye. About the side plane crash. Chale o many more you. And the many abre video where I record many abre because every year I'm say plane crash base. Actually, it's so serious. I then I was on my imu. Plane crash. Now she nipo mo like ministers. Chale, I know what thing. Then lumba de cry by cry nyan kan wasem wiye. And then I was we. As you see and there, be any safe. Be here to me see at any point in time. Be here to me see because so offer plane obe to me offer car obe to me offer shipper obe to me offer motor obe to me. Her, I'm so sad about this. Like guys, I'm so sad. But you please subscribe to this channel. Now do I me hold man subscribe to me. Her. Hey. Then I go so man you. And by December, they are na asamo. All right, guys. We are at news, you know. It's news. I think such channel one news crowd posty. It's guys. I know what dinner. Oh my God. What the moment video?
Persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane Boama, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. And Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. The President and government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
Abushia, the news now is so serious because about 7 prominent ministers na ewu. Me quite like the me yakra say nipa mako 7 or so, like 7 or 8 na ewu. And no cry no, omo mo depend o mo so enye nipa ketewa. Omo mo down o mo like fees like omo twe nipa bebre fees. Omo ma omo yere omo nanfo ne they are breadwinners. Huh. Just one day, plane crash. Ghana crana plane crash cry intense cry. Radinya me inform crime say nti dey kind of say when Dr. Edward Omane Boama, that's Minister for Defense, allegedly, like report never nature say confirmed dead, like it's serious. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, Minister for Environment. Hey man, we know my favorite when I'm man we ask him like any dinner. I mean yeah, I ready. Third Minister Alhaji Muniru Mohammed, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, and also Ephraim. Dr. Samuel Sapon, that's Vice Chairman for NDC. Hey, I feel be a sign. Mr. Samuel Abuaji, former parliamentary candidate, and also Ephraim. And then flying officer and one other minister also. It's so serious. I'm so sad. I'm so sad about this news. Hey, July ni August. I'm for the papa ama oman July ni August. Then ekoso oman then ekoso edipe wu lumba di nyen sunwe ye lumba di nsunwe ye. Ana we so abepem so no. Guys, this is not funny. This is not funny. Asam kese na esi oman yimu no. Isa no be anye safe. Bi be to me see. Ofa motor out me wu. Ofa car out me wu. Ofa bicycle out me wu. Ofa plane ko fa wiem na nka na obi ani asem no so eno so to me wu. Hi Radinya me. Guys, I'm so sad. Please subscribe to the channel. Higher Rational Blogs. If say you drop it, any other video, not to many access to it. But news when I send you need DHD, a free any you should be see. The better for me the bebrom. Now they hammer cry or mom depending on these prominent people. And any packet to all the ministers. ministers and like parliamentary candidates and you're small. Huh? Me kopeli bi abedio ene me beye den nam or kwa bow why we akra na yere ne mas me kwa ba ye koye business we bi wo ha ye koye we wo ha ye koye we wo ha. I think say omo ba obo ase. Yeah. Omo ba ya to omo. I'm so sad about this. Guys, I'm so sad. Me hra ho. Nyame mfa omo kra anye dey. Ensie ye. Na afi we dey July and August. And some esi so my mu dey ana odene. That lumba dey kura nyanka nwie ye. Hwe dey abepe so. Nti na mpanyinfo ka se bi so otumi ko ba na odi afe. Ade eche wa na odi afe. Like me a victim of this because enche me so many accidents nti me ti bi se na kama kuma. Oh God, I'm so sad. See you guys later.